Hello, I am Keshav Srivastava with Avaya Client Services, and this video covers a short demo on enabling Avaya One-x Attendant application logs. As can be seen on the KB ADMN111071, Avaya One-x Attendant has majorly two components, the One-x Attendant client and the One-x Attendant server. One-x Attendant server itself is subdivided into multiple components, and each of the component has its own logging. The logging is for the Java or the C++ components. Avaya T-Trace is a tool that is used to do the C++ component logging. The Java component logging is done by modifying the Java log properties file, an example of which would be covered in this video. So let's say that the Phonebook has some issues and we have to determine what goes on when the Phonebook search is made from the client and results are obtained from the server. On the server side, we need to collect the jonas.log for the Phonebook, whereas all kinds of Java component logging on the client side is done in the javalog.txt file. As we know, the client component is located inside C program files Avaya One-x Attendant. javalog.txt is the file that contains all the Java component logging. The logging level for this file can be modified by the OSPC log4j CFG properties file. We need to open this file using a notepad and change the logging root category to debug. Also, we need to change the logging for individual component. For example, POM2 is the Phonebook component. There are also address parser and absence info pusher components which can be modified. All I need to do is to remove the hash before the component name so that the logging gets enabled. I can also go and change the backup index to a higher value, which would ensure that the more backup files are created and there are less chances of getting the information overwritten if the logs are not collected for a longer duration. Or I can change the maximum file size. Once done, I just need to save this file and the new logging will take effect. Also, as we know, the server component is resident at C Avaya servers folder. Here, jonas.log is the file that we are interested in. We can modify the logging level by changing pomlog.properties file. In this file, we need to verify if the root logger is set to debug, the backup index is as per our requirement, and just remove the hash before the name of the individual component that we are interested in logging. Once done, we just need to save this file. After the issue has recurred, then we need to collect the jonas.log file from C Avaya servers and the Java log file from C program file Avaya One-x Attendant. Thank you for your time today. We hope this information was helpful. We welcome your comments, questions, and feedback at mentor@avaya.com or on Twitter @AvayaMentor. Thank you for choosing Avaya.